Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We made this video to fulfill our behavior finance course assignment. First, introduce us from Group 4. My name is Amanda Veronica Wayu Putri.
And my name is Naila Iftita Mahdiana.
And here is the journal review that we will submit. The title journal is Investor Personality as a Predictor of Investment Intention, Mediating Role of Overconfidence Bias and Financial Literacy. And journal name from Emerald Publishing. And volume is 18, page 27 page. And author is Sridi Jain, Dipasa Sarma, Abhishek Bell, and Aviral Kumar Tiwari.
Background and issues. The study examines the relationship between investor personality traits, overconfidence bias, financial literacy, and investment intention. The study found that investors' personality traits are associated with financial literacy and investment intention, but not significant with overconfidence bias. Financial literacy and overconfidence bias have a positive and significant influence on investment intention. The mediation analysis saw that financial literacy partly mediates the relationship between personality traits and investment intention. The study is helpful for financial companies, government, personality finance advisors, and individual investors to understand the behavior related traits that can influence investment decisions and design portfolios according. Policymakers can also implement programs to enhance financial literacy to improve investment decisions in India.
The next is research objective. This study aims to examine the role of individual investor personality traits on investment intention and to study the mediating role of overconfidence bias and financial literacy on the relationship of personality traits and investment intention.
Name of theory or concept used. Number 1, investment decisions theory. This is a framework that considers how investors make decisions about their capital allocation. Theories such as the expected utility theory or modern portfolio theory can form the basis of analysis in understanding investor behavior. Number 2, overconfidence theory. This theory states that investors tend to have excessive confidence in their own ability to make investment decisions. Overconfidence bases the way investors assess investment risk and returns. Number 3, financial literacy. This concept refers to an investor's understanding and knowledge of finance and investment concept. High financial literacy can help investors make better decisions and manage risk more effectively.
Next is number 4, personality theory, a psychological approach that considers how an individual personality affects their investment behavior. Personality theories such as the Big Five model may be used to explain how factors such as emotional stability, openness, and other influence financial behavior. 5. Mediation model. This concept states that the effect between two variables can be mediated by a third variable. In the context of the journal, overconfidence bias and financial literacy may act as mediators between investor personality and their investment intention. 6. Behavior finance theory. This approach considers the physiological and behavioral aspect of financial decision-making. Concepts such as cognitive error, heuristics, and herding behavior may be relevant in explaining investor behavior.
Next, research methodology. The present study used the quantitative approach for the data collection from the sample of 327 Indian investors investing in the stock market. The questionnaires was divided into segments to assess the investor of personality traits or PTS, overconfidence OC bias, financial literacy, and investment intention. The PT has been measured using the Big Five personality traits. Confirmatory factor analysis was used to test the reliability and validity of the constructs. The hypothesis was tested using structural equation modeling.
Is conceptual framework. Figure 1 illustrates the conceptual framework of the present study based on the objective. The individual investor as PTS has been used as the independent variable in the study. The investor intention of an individual investor in the dependent variable as the overconfident investor tends to trade more often and has been liked to PT. According Akhtar and Das 2020, the OC bias has been taken as the mediating variable between the PTS and the investor intention. It has been studied that investing increased with the increase in financial literacy, according Lusardi and Mitchell 28. Therefore, financial literacy has been the mediating variable between PT and the investor intention of an individual investor.
Next, independent variable. Number 1, independent variable. Investor personality. This may be measured using models such as the Big Five model, which includes personality dimensions such as emotional stability, extraversion, openness, friendliness, and consensus. Number 2, mediator variable. Overconfidence bias. This is an overconfidence in one's own ability that may affect risk assessment and investment decisions making. Overconfidence bias may be mediated by financial literacy and have an influence on investment intentions. Financial literacy, it reflects an investor's understanding and knowledge of finance and investment concept. Financial literacy may moderate the relationship between investors' personality and their investment intentions by influencing how well investors can overcome overconfidence bias and make rational investment decisions. Number 3, dependent variable. Investment intention. This refers to an investor's desire or plan to make an investment in a particular financial instrument.
This research found that the Big Five personality traits, or PTS, have a positive and significant influence on the investment intention of Indian investor. Specifically, extraversion had a positive influence, while neuroticism had a negative influence on investment intention. The other PTS, conscientiousness, agreeableness, and openness to experience, had no significant influence on investment intention. However, personality traits investor had little influence on the overconfidence bias of Indian investor, which did show a positive and significant influence on conscientiousness and extraversion. Overall, the PTS, OC bias, and financial literacy had a significant impact on investment intention. The study concludes that 30% of the variation in investment decision among Indian investors can be attributed to PTS, financial literacy, and overconfidence bias.
Next, theoretical implications. This study makes an important contribution to the literature. This study shows that PT, OC bias, and financial literacy significantly influence investment decisions. From the perspective of regret theory studies, individuals, in order to avoid regret over wrong choice or poor investment, rely on various factors, including their psychological bias when making decisions, therefore affecting investors' rational behavior, weakening their capacity to determine investment choice that will help them rather than harm them. They experience cognitively mediate sadness and anger, leading to regret, Misenaut and Solnik 2008. PT is a regret-inducing variable. Kreyes and Ross 1099. The results showed a significant negative impact of neuroticism on an investor's PT. Neuroticism is associated with irritability and anxiety and insecurity, making it easy to regret. On the other hand, extraversion trait shows a significant positive impact on AI. Traits extraversion is associated with positive attitudes, enthusiasm, and having a positive emotional state. Individuals with extraversion tend to seek more information before making a purchase decisions. Novliadi et al. 2018. Individuals involved in the buying process are elements that influence regret. Kreyer and Ross 1999. Also bias as a measure of psychological factors shows a positive and significant influence on investment decisions, proving that investors are irrational and bound by their cognitive limits. Mark Davis and Brennan, 2012. 11. Individuals do not always act rationally and can be influenced by behavior bias. In this study, UC bias, overconfidence bias. Thus, all information might not be considered when making investment decisions. This study has extended the literature by demonstrating the influence of PT, OC bias, and financial literature and on investment decisions while testing regret theory, bounded rationality theory, and the paradox of coach in the context of investment in emerging market.
Next is practical implication. This research has contributed to the behavior finance literature by revealing the role of PT and mediating part of financial literacy. One Indian investor investment intention decision. This study can have implications for financial analysts, government, and personal financial planners. Financial planners of individual investors should prepare an effective way for investment decision. Before recommending any investment to investor, IT financial knowledge and risk appetite should be considered. The result of this study can help the government formulate policies or programs to increase FL among investors to further boost the capital market. No investment plan can achieve the investment objectives of all investors. Therefore, investment portfolios should be constructed to meet individual investor needs, investment objective, age, gender, risk appetite, personality, and income. The study also suggests the investor should choose better investment tools and not rely on heuristic or emotion when making investment decisions. In accordance with the study findings, the author strongly suggests incorporating behavioral finance modules into finance course to provide a complete knowledge and appreciation of the financial decision-making process.
Next, conclusion. This study has used the Big Five personality traits to measure investors' PT and examine data collection from 3,027 Indian investors. Structural equation modeling was used for analysis. The study concludes that PT, financial literacy, and OC significantly impact investment decisions. Furthermore, PT has a considerable influence on financial literacy, but insignificant influence on OC bias. Mediation analysis influenced financial literacy, which partially mediates between PT and investment decisions. In addition, extraversion and neuroticism traits positively and negatively significantly influence AA. The traits of agreeableness and neuroticism have positive and negative relationship with financial literacy. The theory of regret, the theory of bounded rationally, and the paradox of Koch are evident in the Indian market context and show that humans influence various factors when making investment decisions. They sometimes make poor investment coach and regret their assets.
Summary is the data of 327. And advantages of journal. Number 1, knowledge contribution. This journal may make new contribution to the literature on behavior finance by expanding the understanding of the relationship between investor personality, overconfidence bias, financial literacy, and investment intention. Number 2, integrate approach, using an integrated framework to examine the relationship between different variables, personality, overconfidence bias, financial literacy, and investment intention. May provide more comprehensive insight than study that focus on one aspect only. Practical implication. The findings from this journal could have significant practical implications, such as providing a basis for the development of more effective financial education strategies or the development of investment service that better suit investor profile. 4. Robust research methods. If the journal uses a robust research methodology, such as representative sampling, appropriate research design, and adequate statistical analysis, then the results may have high reliability.
And disadvantage journal. Number 1, sample limitations. If this journal use a limit or unrepresentative sample, the findings may not be generalizable to the broader population. Number 2, research method limitations. If the journal faces limitations in research design or data analysis, such as the use of invalid questionnaires or inadequate analysis techniques, the reliability of the findings may be questionable. Number 3, overfitting. Sometimes in studies that try to examine many variables and the relationship between them, there is a risk of overfitting, where a statistical model may be overfitted to a particular sample of data but unable to effectively predict new data. Number 4, subjective data interpretations. Sometimes interpretation of statistical data can be subjective, especially if researchers have a tendency to select findings that support their hypothesis without considering conflict result.
And thank you. That's all the journal review segment from Group 4. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.